Hi, this is Scott Sorheim with Lean Technologies, and I want to provide you a brief overview of what the quality portion of Thrive entails. So we take a look just from a functional standpoint on the menu. What are the things within there? You can see there's a gauge management portion, so keeping track of your gauges, checking them in, checking them out. Calibration schedules, so keeping track of when things need to be calibrated, and that can be either via time or using the usage of the gauge. So how many times has it been checked in and out? Gauge R&R studies, so it's a chance to produce gauge R&R reports via entering data related to a gauge R&R study that you perform. Defect tracking, so this is similar to like scrap tracking, except it's really driven towards reason code, capturing reason code related information to your issues so that you can drill down on that data later and understand where your biggest issues are. Take a look at the reporting videos for more info on how that would work. Non-conformance, so customer internal discovered issues, customer discovered issues, possibly supplier related issues. I'm going to take a deeper dive on that in a second. We're going to look at that more. Capability, so if you want to get CPK, CP or CPK data, you can perform your capability studies through here. And then there's a project management area, and you kind of see that in each area of Thrive, and you can check out a different video on that. Let's return to non-conformance, and let's say I do have a customer complaint and I need to get this in the system. What this is going to allow me to do, so I'm going to capture, okay, this is a customer related issue, customer complaint, and you determine is in some of these drop downs. But what I want to do is capture the issue and have people be notified that there was a problem. So as I do this, and I'm just going to make up some information on here, and you'd obviously potentially fill in some more, but I'm just going to indicate that we did have some kind of issue and they found a problem. And what this is actually going to do is when I do this, when I initialize this or create it, people are going to be notified. So you can have people find out via email. In this case, I'm just going to take a look in Thrive that I see I have a new non-conformance notice on here. I happen to be in the group that would find out about it. And when people are made aware of it, they can click on it to see the detail for themselves, to get a better idea of what's going on. The next step, of course, would be, all right, who's doing something about this? And that's managed through the corrective actions. So what we're trying to do here is close the whole loop on this process. So problem was discovered. We need to have somebody take care of it. So I'm going to assign something to somebody else to take care of this problem. I'll be real generic for now, but you would provide more information. That person would then get an email and would also see, and I'll log in now as that person, that they have a new assignment. So if I go to my Assign to Me section here on my home screen, I can see there's a new quality corrective action. Fix this problem. I can click right on it to see, well, what is the problem? So I can learn more about it. So we're really managing the entire process. Additionally, so over the long haul, these items are getting closed out. I'm going to end up having some reporting. So there's going to be some, let me go back in under Administrator. There's going to be some non-conformance reporting that I might find useful later to analyze, well, what are the biggest issues that we're having? And I can look at my non-conformance report history and determine either by customer or by NCR type. You can have timelines. There's a number of reports that you can dive into to see what is it we need to work on specifically within these issues that we've been having. So that's just a brief rundown of how you really manage the entire process of closing the loop on quality issues, whether they're discovered internally, externally, finding it out, documenting it, managing the process of correcting it, and then reporting on it for the long term to see what needs to be worked on. So thanks for checking this out. Check out some of the other videos if you want to know more about other portions of Thrive.